risen to the sky, and smoke rose slow as prayers went by. The earth was sworn by root and flame, each stone and stream had secret name. The grove
was alone, the path was right.
the stars kept watch through
Longest night,
no walls, no book,
no single throne,
just land and breath and blood and And came the mark upon the hill, wooden cross and iron will. Bells replaced the drum and cry, a written truth, a promised sky.
the axe fell hard, the branches broke, yet sap still bled beneath the oak.
For even cut, the roots remain, a drink from dark, they know the pain. Old groves, new crosses standing near, both fed by hope, both for the fear. One sticks summoned from life and sin, one of the soul and what we need. Old groves, new crosses side by side, a world reborn, but not enough.
For faith does not erase the past, it walks with ghosts that
Always by day the song, by night the charm, the sign of cross, the hidden arm. Saints wore faces long adored, thunder answered to another Lord.
well stayed holy, fields still bled, wedding bread to spirits fed, a candle lit for God above, a whispered wish for earth and
Churches rose on sacred ground, old gods buried, never found. Yet under floor and altar stone, the grove still breathes its ancient tone.
For the sacred ground does not forget each vow, each tear the soil has met.
Names may change, but not the place. The land remembers every friend. Old groves, new crosses standing near, both fed by hope, both born of fear.
One speaks of earth, of life and sin, one on the soul and what we need.
Old groves, new crosses side by side, a world reborn but not denied.
The faith does not erase the past, it walks with ghosts that always
No fire fully turns to ash, no God is gone in one sharp crash. They fade to tale, to write, to song, to how we feel what's right or wrong.
and every crest and every bell still echoes roots it cannot quell. For faith is built on older ground,
Where older truths are
tightly bound.
all grown. age that scars and teaches peace. So let the oak and crossbow stand as marks of soul upon the land. For what we worship shifts with age, what memory writes the truth